Today, let's delve into the common treatments for dry cough. But before we delve into treatments, let's grasp what dry cough entails. A cough is a reflex action that helps clear the airway of irritants and mucus. It's a natural defense mechanism of the body to keep the air passages clear. There are essentially two types of cough: productive and non-productive. A productive cough, as the name suggests, is one that produces phlegm or mucus which is then expelled from the lungs, effectively clearing them. On the other hand, a non-productive cough, commonly known as dry cough, does not produce any phlegm or mucus. It's often characterized by a persistent, irritating sensation in the throat and chest without any expectoration. Understanding the causes of dry cough is crucial in determining the appropriate treatment. One of the most common causes of dry cough is airway hyperresponsiveness. This condition refers to an exaggerated reaction of the airways to various stimuli, leading to increased coughing. Other common causes include gastroesophageal reflux disease, where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus and triggers coughing; postnasal drip, where mucus drips down the back of the throat, causing irritation; and viral infections such as the common cold or flu, which can inflame the airways and result in a dry, persistent cough. However, dry cough can also be caused by less common factors, including exposure to environmental irritants like smoke or pollution. The use of certain medications, such as angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, respiratory conditions like whooping cough or asthma, and even more serious underlying health issues like a collapsed lung cancer, or heart failure. Now, let's explore top 8 effective treatments for alleviating dry cough. Number 8. Honey. Honey is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to soothe coughs and sore throats. It possesses antibacterial and wound-healing properties, making it an effective treatment for respiratory infections. Honey also coats the throat, reducing irritation, pain, and inflammation. It can be consumed by the teaspoon several times a day, or added to tea or warm water for a comforting drink. However, it's important to note that honey should never be given to children under 1 year old, as it can potentially lead to a rare but serious condition called infant botulism. Number 7. Warm saltwater gargling. Gargling with warm salt water is a simple, yet effective home remedy for dry cough. The salt helps to draw out mucus from the swollen and inflamed tissues in the throat, providing relief from discomfort and scratchiness. To prepare a saltwater gargle, simply add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a glass of lukewarm water and gargle with it several times a day. Number 6. Humidifiers. Using a cool mist humidifier in your room can help increase moisture levels in the air, which can provide relief for dry cough. If you don't have a humidifier, taking a hot shower can also help by creating steam that loosens mucus and soothes the throat. Alternatively, you can inhale steam from a bowl of hot water by placing a towel over your head and leaning over the bowl. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger is well known for its medicinal properties and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including coughs and respiratory infections. It contains compounds like gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Ginger can help suppress the cough reflex by relaxing the smooth muscles of the airways, providing relief from coughing and irritation. You can consume ginger in various forms, such as ginger tea, by steeping fresh ginger root in hot water, or by adding it to soups and stir-fries. Number 4. Thyme. Thyme is another herb that has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions like coughs and bronchitis. It contains a compound called thymol, which has antispasmodic properties that can help relax the smooth muscles of the throat and airways. reducing coughing and irritation. You can prepare thyme tea by steeping dried thyme leaves in hot water for several minutes. Adding honey to thyme tea can enhance its soothing effects. Number 3. Marshmallow. Marshmallow root has been used for centuries. In traditional medicine to soothe coughs and sore throats, it contains mucilage, a sticky substance that coats and soothes the throat. Providing relief from dry cough and irritation, marshmallow root can be consumed in the form of tea or taken as a supplement. Number 2. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect on the throat and can help numb the nerve endings that become irritated during coughing. Peppermint also has decongestant properties that can help reduce nasal congestion and promote easier breathing. You can consume peppermint in the form of peppermint tea or by sucking on peppermint lozenges. Number 1. Antitussive medications. Antitussive medications are drugs that suppress the cough reflex and are commonly used to treat dry cough. These medications work by blocking the cough reflex in the brain, reducing the urge to cough. Common antitussive ingredients include dextromethorphan, camphor, and menthol. Dextromethorphan, in particular, is a widely used cough suppressant that is available over the counter in various forms, including syrups, lozenges, and capsules. However, it's important to note that antitussive medications should only be used as directed and may not be suitable for everyone. Additionally, they may not be effective for coughs caused by underlying medical conditions such as asthma or COPD. While dry cough can be a bothersome symptom, especially when it persists for an extended period, there are several effective treatments available to provide relief. From natural remedies like honey, ginger, and thyme to over-the-counter medications like antitussives, there are various options to suit individual preferences and needs. However, it's important to consult a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe coughing, as it may be a sign of a more serious underlying condition that requires medical attention. With the right combination of treatments and proper care, you can effectively manage and alleviate dry cough, allowing you to breathe easier and enjoy better overall health. If you found this video helpful, kindly show your support by giving it a like. Feel free to share this video with others and let them know about this valuable information. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until next time.